Hi guys, this is Sourdough Starter Kit making beginner your sauce journey simple and enjoyable. It comes with a wide mouth glass jar that's easy to use for mixing and feeding your starter, plus a cloth cover that lets your starter breathe. The silicone lid also double as stable base, and the kit includes a thermometer strip to check temperature, and long silicone spatula for stirring, and a track band so you can remember when you last fed your starter. The jar is stubby and clear so you can easily watch your starter grow. The wide opening makes it easy to add the flour and water or clean the jar when needed. The included spatula reaches deep into the jar and helps scrape the sides without making a mess, keeping everything neat. Overall, this kit is great for anyone ready to try making sourdough bread at home. It has all the tools you need to get started, and it's also a thought gift for anyone who loves baking.